Replacing or swapping a disk is straightforward if the process is followed correctly. The proper procedure involves identifying the physical disk, preparing the disk for removal in Prism Element, removing and replacing the physical disk, formatting the disk, and verifying the health and functionality of the cluster and the node. First, we prepare the disk for removal in the Prism hardware dashboard. Select the failed disk, right-click, and choose the Remove Disk option. This action initiates the removal process. Also select Turn on LED so the disk's location will be easily found in the data center. The cluster will automatically migrate any data from the marked disk to other healthy disks in the cluster. Do not proceed with the physical replacement until Prism indicates that it is safe to remove the disk in Prism hardware. Now you can go to the physical node and slot. While wearing an anti-static band, remove the drive carrier from the chassis. The disk is typically secured by small locking pins or a lever. Place the new disk into the carrier and slide it back into the same slot in the node and secure it in place. Once the new disk is inserted, return to the Prism hardware dashboard and change the view to diagram. Select the unmounted disk, then click Partition and Add, and then Proceed. The cluster will format and add it to the storage pool. The cluster will begin rebuilding data onto the new disk to restore the desired redundancy factor. Finally, run an NCC health check to verify that the cluster is healthy and the new disk is functioning properly. Never swap disks between nodes unless you are instructed to do so by Nutanix support. If disks are swapped by mistake, power down the node and return the disks to their original locations immediately. The procedure for NVMe drives can be different, as they are not always hot swappable on all platforms. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.